Hello and welcome back to InventoCAD. Today we will see how do we use the linear sketch pattern and the circular sketch pattern in SolidWorks. So here we go to open a new canvas. Once the new canvas is opened, we need to select sketch. Now we need to select the plane. I'm selecting the top plane here. Now I'm creating a circle over here. Now once the circle is created, we need to make a linear sketch pattern in the x-axis direction and the y-axis direction. So for that I'll select the linear sketch pattern command here. So here in the x-axis we need to make the number of objects 5 and the distance between the object is given from here, which I am providing 40 mm. Now in direction 2 we need to give the number of objects as many as you wish, like I'm giving it 5 objects, and here we need to give it a distance between the objects, like I'm giving it 30 mm. So once everything is given, we will click on the green tick and the linear sketch pattern is created for the single object that I have created in the beginning. Now I will show you. Now I will delete this one. Now I'll show you how do we use the circular sketch pattern in SolidWorks. So here we need to first create a sketch, like I'm creating this circle over here. I'll move this circle in the center so that I can show the complete diagram. Now I am creating a circle over here. Now we need to circulate this circle on the periphery of the bigger circle. So for that we will select the circular sketch pattern command. Now this point is automatically selected over here and this entity is automatically selected over here. We can change the point by deleting this point with this option. You can select the point and right click and then delete this point, and then you can select any point around which you can circulate this entity. So I am circulating this entity around this point over the periphery of this circle. So the number of entities are 4. I am making it 8 and then I'm clicking on OK. This is how we use the circular sketch pattern. If you wish to circulate this object around any other point than this point, then we can do it this way, like I have discussed right now. Like we need to delete this point and select this point. This is not a point over here, I think. Now once again we need to make something here so that this point could be highlighted. So now we will use the circular sketch pattern. We will delete this point, select this point, and then we need to select the entity to pattern, and then we can see that we have circulated this entity around the point, which is this one. So this is how we can circulate any object around any point using the circular sketch pattern. This is how linear sketch pattern and circular sketch pattern is used. Now if you see move entities, there are some of the things which are related to move entities: copy entities, rotate, scale entities, sketch entities. We will discuss it separately in the next video. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and share my videos. Have a nice day.